Hello and welcome to this second video on Plickers, a guide from start to finish. I'm one of the EdTech demonstrators from Chorney High School for Girls. So creating and setting up or signing up for Plickers. So you could either download and install Plickers app on a mobile device, sign up for your free account just by using your email, or even easier, use your Google sign-in. Then log into the same account you've just created at www.plickers.com/login and you'll be at the Plickers homepage, which is where I'm going to go now. So this is my Plickers homepage, and this is where we're going to talk now about how we can create a very short game. So all I literally do from my homepage is I'm going to go to new set, and it allows me to create a new set of questions. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say this is my demo set. And in the free version, you only get the option of adding 5 questions to a particular game. But if you wanted more than that, you could just make demo set 1, demo set 1B, etc. And you can play the games one after the other. So you would just type in literally your question, and then you would write in the bottom here your up to 4 answers. And it is probably better to put in 4 answers. We'll make sense of that a little bit later. So this is a bit of a random question for that, but you just click in what your answers are. And then today is Friday, so if it wasn't, I would just change it to the right answer, but there is my correct answer for that question. I could also insert an image if I had one saved ready, and that would appear on my question page here. Once I'm happy with that, I can click on this plus button at the top and it gives me the option of a new question. And I'm going to type in my second question here. And then again, I'm going to put my answers down there. I'm going to make sure my right answer is not the first one. And then I'm going to click on the one that's correct. As you can see, if I go back up to new question, I can click and I can add up to 5. After that, it won't let me add any more on this free account. And then all I have to do is just scroll through the additional questions there to add in what I would like to put. It's really important that you double check that you're happy with the question and that the answer is correct. And these are the 4 options the pupils can give. Once I'm finished with that, I can either save it myself or it just gets saved, and then I can add it to a queue. So if I had my classes already set up, I could add it to a particular class's queue. So I'm going to put it to demo class, and that means it's ready for me to play with the class. So whatever questions you create, if you want to play it with a particular group or more than one, you can add it to as many as you need, and you can see them start lining up here in the corner. That's it basically for setting up a game. If I go back to my home page, I'm going to show you how to add a class. So if I scroll down here, I can see new class here. So I'm just going to click on new class and I'm going to give it a name. Let's give it a name, demo 3. And you can see here, I could import from Google Classroom if I had a class in there ready. If I want to do it manually, I just click create class here and I just start adding in the students. So you can do it first name, last name, or last name, first name, depending on what you want. And you can see them appear on the roster on the right hand side. I just click another line and it will give me another name that I can put in. And then I'm just going to click next. And you can see that each person gets assigned a number, and that's really important. This number relates to the card that they will have to play. I'm going to click OK for now, and you can see that that class is set up ready to go.